Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a coaching funnel in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels in the top menu. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Coaching Funnel. Choose the Build an Audience goal if you want to collect coaching leads or sell if you're offering a paid coaching program. Click Create. Inside your funnel, add an opt-in page or sales page. Choose a professional template and click Edit Page. Start by adding a compelling headline that explains the transformation your coaching program offers. Write a short description highlighting who you help, the results clients can expect, and what makes your coaching unique. Add your photo, testimonials, success stories, coaching credentials, and any certifications to build trust. Next, add a booking form or lead capture form where visitors can schedule a discovery call or request more information. Customize your call to action button with text like "Book your free strategy call" or "Apply for coaching." Then edit the thank you page and connect the form to an email campaign so new leads automatically receive follow-up emails. Click Save Changes and test your funnel before publishing. That's it. You've successfully created a coaching funnel in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.